A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Beyond Trust and Faith, Awakening Humanity's Cosmic Bond. Ladies and gentlemen, in the complex orchestra of human consciousness, two forces guide the soul's journey through uncertainty: trust and faith. Though often used interchangeably, they originate from distinct centers within us. Trust is the product of the rational mind, formed through patterns, expectations, and experience. Faith, however, rises from the soul, rooted in a higher emotional and spiritual dimension, a direct bond with the unseen, the eternal, and the divine. Human beings, in their very essence, are not separate from the cosmos, but part of its boundless energy system. Every heartbeat, thought, and emotion is in silent dialogue with the universe. This is not metaphor, but a profound truth echoed by both modern science and ancient wisdom. That is, energy is the fundamental language of existence. And in this eternal flow, human energy is designed to interface with cosmic energy, creating an unbreakable natural relationship with the source of all creations. This sacred relationship unfolds through energy exchange. The cosmos, an infinite ocean of intelligent energy, sends out encoded photons that carry not just light but meaning, messages, and transformation. When humans enter into a state of trust, they begin to recognize this energy system as benevolent, ever aware, and aligned with their highest good. It is the mind's way of acknowledging that no one is truly alone, and that every plea, every whisper of the heart is received. Faith, however, is the next dimension. It is the Spirit's declaration that not only is help available, but it is guaranteed, though not always in expected forms or timing. Faith is the soul's leap beyond logic into communion. While trust believes the system works, faith believes the system serves. It is in this higher state of alignment that human consciousness rises to a plane where doubt dissolves and courage, wisdom, and strength are born. When the mind and soul and spirit converge in a moment of deep seeking, be it through prayer, meditation, silence, or surrender, the transmission of energy between the individual and the cosmos reaches its peak. It is here that one transcends both trust and faith, entering a sublime zone where the heart knows the message has been received. There is no need for fear, for divine assistance, though unseen, is already on its way, responding with perfect precision in known or unknown forms. This state transforms lives in a world marked by chaos, loneliness, and uncertainty. Such moments of inner realization shift perception from helplessness to empowerment. The person anchored in this consciousness no longer needs evidence because they are connected to the source. And this quiet, radiant conviction carries the potential not only to uplift individuals but to shift the collective journey of humanity. As proclaimed in the timeless Bhagavad Gita, to those who are ever devoted and who meditate on me with love, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. This ancient assurance reminds that when hearts connect with devotion, the cosmos listens. Every genuine prayer is heard, and in the divine order, nothing is ever lost, only transformed. What is the way forward? Let each individual, regardless of culture, creed, age, or condition, begin to explore this sacred inner bond by stilling the mind, nurturing trust, invoking faith, and engaging in soul-aligned practices. One gradually awakens to the cosmic design. Meditation, heartfelt intention, and a simple act of surrender become bridges to this universal flow. In return, strength emerges, not borrowed but awakened. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, humanity is not navigating this existence alone. A system far beyond comprehension, yet intimately connected to each life, operates with grace, intelligence, and love. In times of fear, uncertainty, or despair, remember this: the cosmos is not indifferent. It is listening, responding, and embracing each soul's journey. To trust is human. To have faith is divine. But to transcend both is to awaken, to remember who we truly are, not just passengers in the universe, but conscious participants in its grand eternal design. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.